Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am going to use two new products from the drugstore. So this is the NYX face glue setting spray, and also I am going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancement Jelly Bronzer. These are the two products I'm gonna use on my face today, you guys. So if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So you guys, they have the eye primer in this. I didn't get this, so I'm gonna use this all over my face to spray over my face and then apply this to it. So if you want to see, continue watching. So I am going to use this on my face to spray my face. And I'm gonna leave it there to dry a little bit. I'm just gonna pat in the product on my skin because I don't have the primer, and I'm not intent to get the primer, you guys. So I'm just gonna use the spray also, and after applying it to your face, you make your skin feel a little bit on the tacky side. So this is what I am going to use on my clean face today. So my skin feel a bit on the tacky side. This is how it is. Yeah, I hear so much about these from Nick. So I'm gonna use this from CoverGirl also, and I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand here. I like the texture of this True Blend Tinted Moisturizer from CoverGirl. So I'm gonna put this amount, and I'm gonna use this brush to just apply to my skin. So this is something that is really light, that you can use it like for the summer. So I'm going to put some more of the CoverGirl to my forehead. And I am going to use one of my blending brush for foundation to blend it out on my skin. So you can see that really nice glow in my skin, and it make my skin feel like skin. So I am going to apply some more to this brush. And make sure that I do blend it out properly on this face. You can see that glow, you guys, on my skin. Look at my skin, it's so glowy. So I'm just going to use some concealer under the eyes also, and I'm using from ELF. So I am going to use some setting powder from Revolution. This is the powder that I have here. And I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand here and make sure that I really dust it off properly so I don't use a lot underneath the eyes because I don't want the under eyes to be very cakey. Okay, guys, so don't pay any mind to that nice outside. So these are the two products that I use today on the face, and this is really the CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enchant Gel Bronzer Glow, and you can see this glow on my skin, you guys. These are good for the summer if you don't like a lot of makeup. And then with the spray, I also love how the spray really take to my skin. Like after you spray this, spray to your skin have this really tacky feeling after it dry. So that's why I'm not going to get the primer. I'm just gonna use the spray for my face. And this is how my face look. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.